In this activity, we're going to reinforce fluency with the first sound in words. This is an important kindergarten skill. The more practice that your student has with this, the better off they will be coming into kindergarten. So in this instance, we're going to say a word. Sometimes it's helpful to have your student make sure that they're looking right at your mouth when you're saying the word, so that they can also see the way that your lips are when you're producing that word or that sound at the beginning. So I'm going to say a word, and then I'm going to have the student respond with that word and then with the first sound that they hear in that word. So for example, I might say, listen to me say a word. Sun. What is the first sound you hear in the word sun? And I would try to get my student to answer with the s. Make sure that they're giving you the sound s and not the name of the letter. We always want to encourage the sound for this activity. Then I'm going to have them find that sound on the alphabet arc. And this can be done with the letters on, with the letters off, or maybe I'm going to have them find it and place that letter. So in that example, I would say to the student, listen to me say a word, sun. The student would repeat the word sun. What sound do you hear first in the word sun? I would get them to make that s sound. Then I'm going to ask them to find that sound. They're going to point to it, or maybe they're going to match it up.